Right. It's Saturday morning, Saturday the 16th September, and that's the end of my stay at Airbnb in Helsinki, and it's the beginning of my journey back home. So I'm heading back to the ferry terminal, to the Viking Line terminal, where I catch the boat to Tallinn. So my experience of Viking Line on the way here from Stockholm was not fantastic. It's a great long wait in the rain to get on, and I had the sort of feeling that the guys there really didn't care. It's not fair, that's not fair really, but so let's see what this is like. I'm going to be getting there in very good time as usual. The boat leaves at 11:30. I'm going to get there just under 2 hours early. Well, they say it. They start. You need to be there an hour and a half ahead. So why not? So all these streets that I got to know ever so slightly in the last 10 days. I don't know what these Baltic states are going to be like. A couple of people have said, "Oh, you've got to be careful of theft," stuff like that. Somebody else said, "Oh, it's not the Estonians, it's the Russians that you need to watch out for." I think we're here. It's 15.5 degrees, which is pleasant. Great. They seem to be opening up just as I got here, which is pretty. Morning.
So, and you can take the lane number 3.
Thank you very much. Okay, I might be getting on. I had to move out of the way to let all these cars on, which is a bit disappointing. But it's all action here, and much nicer weather than leaving Stockholm, where it just was pouring with rain. This is beautiful sunshine. It's 15.5 degrees. It feels warmer than that's lovely. It's almost too hot on the face. Dazzling sunshine, and to think I was worried that it might be really windy and stormy and wet. Typical. Thank you. Thank you. This looks interesting. Okay. Okay, it's 2 o'clock and we're just pulling into Tallinn. It looks rather medieval from a fairy tale from the view I got. It was heavy cloud over the top of it and a few kind of spires visible through the very dark cloud. Great! Almost first off. Where do we go? Just on that big ship. 18 degrees it says.